Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to a haul, y'all. So before we get started, I just want to say a huge thank you to those of you who commented and watched my why I left Stampin' Up video. I really do appreciate you, and I appreciate that most of you understood what I was trying to say. I'm not saying that Stampin' Up is a bad company. I'm not saying that their products are bad. I'm not saying that demonstrators are bad. It's just a part of my life that I've lived, and now it's time for me to move on. So I sold everything. So there's nothing left from Stampin' Up besides the cardstock that I wanted to keep. And as of right now, there's nothing else that I want to destash. That might change in the future. I don't know. But as of right now, there's nothing left. So what I'm going to show for you today, or what I have for you today, is a haul, like I mentioned, and over the next few weeks there will be several hauls, probably 3 total. I think I'm waiting on 2 more orders, and then that will be the end of it. So as I mentioned in that last video, if you missed it, I will be redoing my craft room, so it'll probably be a little quiet on here, maybe just 1 or 2 videos a week. Just give me some time to get everything situated. I have to move everything around. I need to sit down and with some graph paper and figure out the layout that I want. So it's gonna be different for sure. So yeah, so I have some things from Hello Bluebird. I have some things from Brutus Monroe, and then I'm gonna share with you a kit that my brother bought for me from Queen Co. So let's get started. There's going to be a little bit of a glare because of the lighting and the ring light, so I apologize. But and I normally would do this face down, but I thought where you're looking down, but I thought we'd try this and see how it goes. So the first one I got is Elephant Friends. Isn't it cute? Oh my word! And I got the coordinating dies. Now some of these are probably going to what's the word I'm looking for? Retire? I don't know. What's the other word? I don't know. These may be close to retiring, but I bought what I wanted, what I loved. Some of these things I bought in the past, sold, and now I've rebought. But I've been drawn to this stamp. Like, all of these stamps are ones that I've wanted for a while. So the Elephant Friends are so cute. And Hello Bluebird does animals so fun. I just love them. Next one is Otter Friends. Aren't those cute? And again, I got the coordinating dies. I do have a silhouette cameo with the Picskin mat. I need to practice with that to see if I can get to a point where I'm not spending $50 on stamps and dies. I don't think so. Here's the thing. Hello Bluebird dies are so inexpensive. Like, one of these sets, the dies were like 10 bucks. And all of Simon Says stamps and My Favorite Things, their coordinating dies are like $26, $27, $28, $29, $30. And it's like, how can Hello Bluebird do it so inexpensively and everybody else is doing it so inexpensively? I don't know. So this is, oh nuts. I wanted some things that I could use for fall. And I just love, again, look at this little guy right here. Look at him. Look at his little face. So cute. And this is one I'm pretty sure I had and then I sold. This is Hippos on Holiday. I'm going to use this one pretty quickly because of summer, but she's so cute. She's a she to me. I don't care what anybody says. She's a she. So cute. And the next couple ones are Christmas. So this is Skating Party. So I have the skating pond die from them. I used it last year on a card in my holiday card series. So I decided to pick up some animals and some people to use on that, along with that die. So I got this. And then I also got Skating Together. So I placed this order before I placed a Stampin' Up, Simon Says stamp order. And I didn't remember what I had purchased from this. So this shows up, and then I realized I'd ordered this from Simon Says Stamp too. So luckily they hadn't processed my order. And I called them and left a message and was like, hey, could you please change that? And so they did. So I'm really grateful that they were able to do that. But yeah, so I'm excited. I tried to get some summer things. I tried to get some fall things. But you guys know I am so excited about my holiday card series. I don't know that we'll start in September, but don't put anything past me, right? So the next is Brutus Monroe. And I ordered both of these straight from their website. Sometimes I really like to do that. because that way they're getting the full price and not just what they make for wholesale. What did I drop? Oh, I dropped the cutest little stamp ever in my life. So I signed up for the Brutus Monroe stamp of the month. You get a little baby tiny stamp every month. And I wanted it so I could get this little guy. Aren't they cute? And then I found their artist on Etsy by accident. And she has the cutest clip art ever. And I've asked if I can buy the line art, and I'm waiting to hear back from her because it's so cute. Her art is just so cute. Anyway, so I got that, and then I bought this one. And this is a Valentine set, but look at these little characters with their cat eye frames. I wear cat eye frames. And I thought, this is just so cute. And they don't necessarily have to be Valentine's Day. I mean, they are in hearts, but they could still be, you know, for a birthday or just for an anniversary or something like that. So I really like that. One thing that I felt like I really struggled with last time I left Stampin' Up! Was sentiment. So they had this great sentiment stamp set that has all sorts of fonts and everything. I really shouldn't have done this way. We'll do it next time. We'll do it face down. So, but yeah, so cute. And maybe I will just go over this and add in. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah, we'll try that. And then the last one I got was this gnome set. Now, let me tell you, when Lawn Fawn started the whole gnome thing, I was like, no, nope, don't want them, don't want them, don't want them. And then I saw this stamp set from Brutus Monroe, and I was like, oh my gosh. And like I said, I found the person who makes this art, and it's so stinking cute. So I bought this gnome set, and then I bought one from My Favorite Things. So yeah, more is coming. And then let's get in, I'm gonna put these back in this bag so I have a place to put them. So these will go, I'll show you my stamp and die storage on like when I do my craft room tour, but it's basically the Jennifer McGuire method where I have the pocket sheets and then I put them in and I have some baskets that I put them in. So it's kind of like that, not the exact same, but kind of. So he ordered for me this all bundled up kit. So if you're unfamiliar, Queen Co does the cutest shaker card kits, and they are about, I think they're about 60 bucks, and they come with a paper pad, a stamp set, dies, foam and acetate shakers, and then what they call toppings. And toppings are just the things that go inside the shaker. And then for a free gift, I got all of this bling, which when I very first started crafting, I bought a ton of Queen Co bling. So I'm really excited about that. So I went back to see if they had any others in stock, and they don't, but they say they're coming soon. So hopefully, I put myself on their list, so hopefully I will be able to get another kit, because they have one with a gingerbread house, I think, and I just cannot. I absolutely 100% cannot resist gingerbread. I absolutely love it. Oh, this is all broken. Okay, so here are like the fillers for them. They're really cute. Then you get the stamp set, which is all sentiments, which makes sense because the dies are animals and stuff. Here's the paper. And this is like, if you're new to me, I love non-traditional Christmas colors. You'll see me do some red and green, but I do Coastal Cabana or like red and aqua. I'll do purple and silver or purple and aqua. I'll do red, green, pink, and aqua. Like, I love, 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 love non-traditional Christmas colors. And you'll see a lot of that in my crafting. Oh no, I tore this sheet of paper. So really pretty. You can see what the patterns are right there. And looks like it's all double-sided. And I think you can buy the pieces separately as well. So here are the dies. So you get a snowflake, you get a snowman, there's a little bear, and there's a little penguin, and then you also get a mitten. And these are the foams that go with it. Let's see what they do. So you choose a foam shape, pop out the center, peel off the protective backing, adhere to the layered pattern paper. Oh, okay, yeah. So it's like a little well for you to put your stuff in, and then you dye and put it on top. So comes with instructions, comes with the yeah, like there's a hat, there's a bear, there's a snowflake, there's a little penguin. So cute. And like I said, the other one I'm pretty sure had a gingerbread house, a Santa hat. I think there was a gingerbread. I could be dreaming that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it was. So yeah, so I can't wait. I know it's July 1st. I know it's July 1st, but I absolutely 100% cannot wait. So yeah, so anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Like I said, I appreciate all of your comments. I appreciate all of you that are new and you've subscribed. I hope that I can provide you with fun and exciting quality content. We'll see. But yeah, so thank you guys so much. I'm not linking anything down below. I'm not going to do affiliate links. Like I said, I bought from Brutus Monroe, I bought from Hello Bluebird, and then this also came from Queen Company. And this one may be in stock. They had a couple in stock, but not all of them. So yeah, so that's it, guys. I really appreciate you, and I will see you real soon for another video. Bye for now.